Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want more important problem of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So you have to do to get the questions, you need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay. One more thing I would like to tell you, all these important questions are also available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. So coming back to the discussion, see what is given here. Graphs of f and g are given. See, you can see here this is a graph of fx and this is a graph of gx. Okay, so we have to find a formula for the function g. So we have to find what is gx. See, fx is given as fx equal to under root x. Okay, so what we have to do? See, first we need to analyze the end result. That is how our function g looks like. See, if you analyze, you can see that if we take a vertical reflection of fx, okay, if we take vertical reflection of fx about the x axis, okay, and then if we shift the result obtained after vertical reflection by in the horizontal direction. Okay, so the result we obtained after vertical reflection and then shift the result towards negative direction of x-axis, we can get a graph similar to g. And if both the graph will overlap, then we can say what is our function g. Okay, so how we can get the function? See, first, this is the given function fx equal to root x, and this is the graph of fx equal to root x. So what we will do, we will take vertical reflection about x axis. So let hx be a function obtained by taking vertical reflection of fx, that is reflection about the x axis. So when we take vertical reflection, our y coordinate will become negative. Okay, so hx will become minus of fx, so hx equal to minus under root x. Okay, and how our graph of hx will look like? See, as we take vertical reflection about x-axis, so our reflection will be hx equal to minus root x, so it will be the graph of hx. Okay, now we need to shift hx by some units towards negative direction of x-axis. Okay, so we need to take horizontal shift. So how much shift we need to do? So what we can do, we can find this about the origin. See, if you see this origin, okay, so if we shift the origin by 4 units, so if we shift our origin by 4 units, then only we can obtain the graph of g. So shifting the hx graph obtained by vertical reflection by 4 units in the negative direction of x-axis, we can obtain gx equal to h of x plus 4 equal to minus under root x plus 4. So graph of gx will be like, see this one, after shifting hx by 4 units toward negative direction of x-axis, this will be graph of gx, and gx will be equal to minus under root x plus 4. Okay, so graph of gx in the above graph obtained by transformation of fx is exactly same as the graph of gx in the given graph. Hence, equation of f gx is gx equal to minus under root of x plus 4. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics on graph transformation. Okay, thank you.